You're watching the Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyajian. I'm Maria Bashardis. Thanks for joining us at XM.com. Traders were greeted with positive developments on all fronts on Thursday as the United States and China finally agreed on the basis for a new round of high-level talks, while the easing of political turmoil in Britain and Hong Kong also lifted sentiment. Stocks in China surged following similar gains on Wall Street overnight. Safe havens, on the other hand, fell back, notably the yen, Swiss franc, and gold. The moves were modest, however, as investors were wary that the latest turnaround in events may not last. Another reason for traders to be cautious is doubts about the Fed's rate cut path. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell is due to speak in Zurich tomorrow and could provide the last major policy clue ahead of the September 17 to 18th meeting. The pound enjoyed its biggest one-day rally against the dollar in 5 months on Wednesday, after the UK government was heavily defeated in Parliament as MPs swiftly approved legislation that would force the Prime Minister to seek a further Brexit extension from the EU before the October 31st deadline. But while the move has averted the imminent threat of a no-deal Brexit, things are far from clear, and there's the possibility the government may choose not to abide by the law if Johnson is still in power by the end of October. The Prime Minister suffered a second blow yesterday after Labour abstained from a vote on whether there should be a snap election. Having lost control of Parliament, Johnson wants to put the decision on how to proceed with Brexit to the British people, and will reportedly make an address to the public at 1500 GMT. There was some much-needed good news for the long-drawn-out trade conflict between the US and China, as the two sides agreed to hold ministerial-level talks in early October. Although investors have become increasingly doubtful about President Trump's commitment to reaching a trade deal with China, any sign of even a temporary de-escalation is welcomed by the markets in a darkening global economic environment. Risk-sensitive currencies, such as the Aussie, were the biggest gainers from the positive trade headlines. This is today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for watching at XM.com.